my name is Ulla. I'm from Austria. And I'm so happy that I found this workshop because it was such a great fun and such an experience to see how much work it is to wave, actually. It's really a lot of work, but it's great fun. And I would suggest everybody who comes to Chiang Mai to do this. It's just 3 hours. And after that, you can take it home. Look what I've done. Isn't that cute? With a pom-pom. So 3 hours, and of course with the help of these fantastic teachers. Great, come.
My name is Margit, or in Thai it's Maggie, and we find this shop, my friend Ulla, she found it today, and I'm very happy to come here and to do this handicraft. Takes a long time for a small piece, but this is amazing, and I love it, and I will use it for my home. Thank you so much.